Hi there guys, welcome to another English lesson here at Super Simple English. Today I'm going to teach you how to use 9 parts of speech in one sentence along with the correct sentence structure. Are you ready? Great, then let's get into the video. So the first question you should ask is, what are parts of speech? Well, parts of speech are groups of words that do the same job. They tell you the same information in a sentence. So what are the parts of speech? The 9 parts of speech most commonly used are nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections, and articles. Now, if you don't know what these are, then I will explain them very simply for you in this lesson. If you do know what they are, then stick around because I'm going to show you the correct sentence structure to use these parts of speech in a sentence. All right, so the first one that we will take a look at is a pronoun. A pronoun is who or what the sentence is about. Now, the pronouns I have chosen are I, you, he, she, it, we, they, John, Mary, the dog, singular, the dogs, plural. After your pronoun, you put an auxiliary verb. Okay? An auxiliary verb is also called a be verb or a helping verb. And the auxiliary verb matches the pronoun. For example, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are, John is, Mary is, the dog is, the dogs are. Okay, so your auxiliary verb needs to be the correct one for the pronoun. Remember that. The next thing we put in the sentence is a verb. We have chosen present continuous tense for this sentence. Present continuous tense gets ing, and you think about it as if it's now. I am talking to you. You are listening to me. Okay, so we have running, sleeping, and eating. After that, we will put an adverb. And I chose this because I want you to know where to put very in a sentence. After the adverb, we put another adverb. In English, this is called double adverbs. So it will be very quickly, very slowly, especially happily, extremely angrily. Okay? After that, we put a preposition in the sentence. A preposition shows time or place. Today's prepositions show place. In, on, under, over, next to, in between, or above. After your preposition comes a determiner. A determiner is also called an article, and it tells you what or how many. For example, a and an show one. A is for a consonant, an is for a vowel. An, A-E-I-O-U. The is for something specific. The sun, the boy. Some is for many. Some books, some apples. After that, you put a noun, something you can see and touch. Okay? Noun, park, bathroom. Right, so this is the first clause in the sentence. This is sentence number 1. After that, you put a conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins 2 sentences together. And we use because, but, and, or so to join 2 sentences together. Now we start to build sentence number 2. So we have another pronoun. This pronoun is called a reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun must match pronoun number 1 in the sentence. For example, if I say, John is running very quickly in the park because he. John is a boy. What if we say Mary? Mary is walking very slowly in the park because she. Let's do the dog. The dog is barking very loudly in the bathroom because it. Let's do plural. The dogs are barking very loudly in the bathroom because they. Got it? So your reflexive pronoun needs to match the first pronoun in the sentence. After that, we put auxiliary verb to. Remember that auxiliary verb to needs to match auxiliary verb 1 because the pronoun or the subject of the sentence is still the same, even if you change the reflexive pronoun. For example, John is running very quickly in the park because he is. John is, he is. Mary is sleeping very peacefully in her bed because she is. Okay, so Mary is, she is. John is, he is. The dogs are, they are. After auxiliary verb to, we put an adjective. An adjective is a describing word. You look tired. You look sleepy. You feel hungry. All right? And after that, we put our punctuation. Punctuation at the end of a sentence will be a full stop, an exclamation, or a question, depending on what you are trying to ask or say. Okay, so now that you know the different parts of speech and the sentence structure and how to use them, let's make a sentence. So we will choose the subject Mary, auxiliary verb is, verb in present continuous tense, running, adverb very, adverb slowly, preposition next to, determiner the, and noun park. To make sentence 1, Mary is running very slowly next to the park. Then we will use conjunction because. And we will join sentence number 1 to sentence number 2. Sentence number 2 is she, reflexive pronoun, is, auxiliary verb to, tired, adjective, exclamation mark, punctuation. So Mary is running very slowly next to the park because she is tired. All right, guys, I hope that explains to you the 9 different parts of speech, where and how to use them, and how to use them in the correct sentence structure in a sentence. I would like you to type a sentence that you have made in the comments below, letting me know if this helped you. And I would like to see some funny sentences in the comment section. Show me that you learned something from this video. Well, that is all that I have for you today. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Super Simple English for new videos just like this one each week. If you would like to support my channel, I will leave a link to my Patreon account in the description below. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye-bye.